Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Have you ever wondered what secrets lie at the edge of the Caribbean Sea? Trinidad and Tobago, two names, one country, whispers its mysteries to every traveler who dares to listen. Here, legends are born in the morning mist and carried on the wind. How can two islands so near each other feel like they belong to different worlds? If you follow the trail of the scarlet ibis or lose yourself in Port of Spain's labyrinth, you sense the magic that weaves these islands together. Trinidad and Tobago is a place where opposites don't just exist, they dance. This is a nation forged by tides and time, by the collision of continents and cultures. Rainforests meet city lights, and ancient rituals blend with modern beats. In every corner a secret waits. So let's journey together. Trinidad and Tobago waits, ready to reveal itself, if you're willing to look beyond the surface. Step into the wild heart of Trinidad and Tobago, and you'll find a kingdom ruled by nature. In the Coroni Bird Sanctuary, scarlet ibis paint the sky at sunset, a living river of red against the green. Venture inland, where Trinidad's forests rise in tangled emerald walls. The northern range is a realm of waterfalls, giant ferns, and hidden caves. Listen for the call of the howler monkey, echoing through the trees. In Tobago, the Main Ridge Forest Reserve is the oldest protected rainforest in the Western Hemisphere, a treasure trove of hummingbirds, butterflies, and ancient trees. Nature here is more than scenery, it's a way of life. Fishermen cast nets at dawn, and turtle hatchlings scramble toward moonlit waves. The islands boast over 400 species of birds and rare flora found nowhere else. Conservation is a constant struggle, but the people fight for their forests, reefs, and wildlife. Nature is both a legacy and a promise, a gift for future generations. Trinidad and Tobago's history is as dramatic as any epic. Once home to the Arawaks and Caribs, the islands were swept into the tides of colonial conquest. Spanish, French, then British. Sugar and cocoa plantations brought enslaved Africans, followed by indentured laborers from India, China, and the Middle East. Each group brought traditions, languages, and dreams, creating a mosaic stitched together by hardship and hope. But it was the struggle for freedom that defined the nation's soul. In 1962, Trinidad and Tobago gained independence, marked by people dancing in the streets, voices raised in song. Out of this mix, Carnival was born, a celebration of rebellion, resilience, and joy. History lives on in every parade, every melody, every spicy bite of food. The past isn't buried, it's sung, danced, and remembered, shaping the island's unique spirit. To understand Trinidad and Tobago, you must feel its spirit. Here, religion is everywhere, yet nothing divides. Temples, mosques, and churches stand side by side. The soul of the islands truly comes alive in their festivals. Carnival is the beating heart, a riot of color, music, and dance, born from the mixing of European masquerade and African celebration. Costumes shimmer, steel pans sing, and streets pulse with calypso and soca. The steel pan, crafted from oil drums, was forged from struggle and resilience. In every village, the calendar brims with celebration. Fagwa, Eid, Christmas, Emancipation Day. Rituals are not just observed, they are lived and shared. The music never stops, filling the air at sunrise, sunset, and in the quiet moments between. To visit is to join the dance, to sing the songs of freedom and hope. Here, every festival is a thread in the nation's tapestry. Wander through Port of Spain, and the city reveals itself in layers. Grand colonial buildings stand beside modern towers. The Red House and the Magnificent Seven tell stories of governance, protest, and wild imagination. But architecture is not just about grandeur. In Tobago, old sugar mills crumble beside wooden gingerbread houses, their fretwork delicate as lace. Churches stand on hilltops, watching over villages and valleys. Markets burst with life, colorful stalls shaded by banana leaves, vendors calling out the day's catch. Fort King George in Scarborough offers sweeping views and echoes of colonial battles. Every building, every market, every fort is a living link to the past and a beacon for the future. The island's architecture speaks if you know how to listen. Trinidad and Tobago's true flavor is found on the street. Take a walk through any town at dawn and follow the scent of frying dough. Doubles, the island's favorite breakfast. Food here is more than nourishment. It's a celebration of culture. The streets pulse with music. Calypso, soca, chutney, reggae. Children play cricket in empty lots, while elders watch from shaded porches. At night, bars and rum shops fill with laughter, and the air buzzes with steelpan and storytelling. Sport is a passion, from football on the beach to world-class cricket matches. Yet, it's the little things that matter most. A smile from a stranger, the warmth of a shared meal. The island's greatest treasure is its people, welcoming, resilient, and full of life. Port of Spain, Trinidad's capital, is a city that never sits still. Skyscrapers rise above busy markets, taxis race through the streets, and business pulses by day. By night, music takes over. The Savannah, a vast green park, is the city's heart for picnics, parades, and midnight cricket. Life here is fast, loud, and full of surprise. In contrast, Scarborough on Tobago is a world apart. Life here moves to a gentler rhythm. Fishing boats bob in the harbor, and markets are filled with laughter and fresh fruit. The city nestles between hills and sea, its streets lined with colorful houses and quiet cafes. The pace is slow, the mood relaxed. Yet, both cities share a spirit of resilience and creativity. In their markets you'll find crafts, spices, and stories. Nightlife takes on different forms. Jazz in a Port of Spain club, calypso by the beach in Scarborough. Each city has its own heartbeat, but both invite you to join in. Travel between these two cities, and you travel between worlds. Why should you visit Trinidad and Tobago? Is it the untouched beaches of Tobago where leatherback turtles nest beneath the stars, or the wild, tangled rainforests of Trinidad, echoing with birdsong and adventure? Maybe it's the thrill of Carnival, the taste of doubles, or the hypnotic sound of the steel pan at dusk. There is a magic here that cannot be bottled or bought. It's in the laughter of children, the stories whispered by elders, the colors of a festival, and the warmth of a stranger's greeting. Trinidad and Tobago offers not just beauty but transformation, a chance to see the world and yourself anew. Adventurers can hike to hidden waterfalls or dive among coral reefs. Dreamers can lose themselves in music and poetry. Food lovers, nature seekers, and history buffs all find their paradise here. This is a place to feel alive, a place that feeds the soul. At the end of the day, Trinidad and Tobago is more than an island nation. It is a living story. It's a place where the past and future dance, where every sunrise brings new possibility. Here, you learn that beauty is not always obvious. Sometimes, you must look deeper to find what matters most. Travel here changes you. You leave with more than memories. You leave with questions, dreams, and a piece of the islands in your heart. Trinidad and Tobago reminds us that the world is full of magic, if only we choose to see it. As we say goodbye to these twin worlds, our journey is only beginning. Adventure calls, and the world awaits.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.